Hi guys, Scott with Houston Event Photography. I'm going to start out with a new video showing you how to set up Teps-X on a brand new computer. I just got a new iMac in today and I've installed Teps software onto this Mac. If you don't have it, you can download it at their website. Just do a search for Triprism Teps-X and sign up, and it will let you download a demo version, I believe. Anyway, we've got it on here. I'm going to show you how we set it up on our computers. First off, we're going to go down here to the Finder, and then we're going to go to Applications, and we're going to search for the folder. It's going to be in this Teps-X Share folder. Say that real quick 3 times, Teps-X Share. Alright, we're going to open it up, and I'm going to show you the folders that, and the items that we put on our desktop and over in our Finder. The 3 main things that we put in there is we put the Teps-X Share application down here just by dragging it onto the taskbar. We also put the Teps Processor Share down here just by dropping it in there next to the camera. And the last thing we put on there is the Print Center, and we'll drag that down and drop it in there. And those things stay on our desktop all the time. There's other things that you can add down there, but those are the 3 main items that we use. Then we also want to drag a few folders over into the Finder so that we can find them easily. One of the main ones is our Print to File folder. We drag it over here, and you can just drop it anywhere in there. The next one that we put in there is our Graphics folder, and I'll just drop it underneath that one. And just to make it easy to find, we go ahead and put the Processor folder over there too. Now this is not moving it from your Applications folder, but it's just creating a shortcut so that you don't have to look for them. You can just find them over here in your favorites all the time. And that's pretty much it. That's how we set up our computers. So now if I go back to Finder, you'll notice that those folders are there. If I double click in there, it'll show you the folders that are there. And sometimes I put other folders in here, but most of the time this is just the default how we set it up. And for some reason it didn't keep that one folder, that that Teps-X Share, so I'm going to go back in there and put that back in there. It should have stayed there, but it didn't. I want to drag that folder over here. That way I can get to any item in the Teps-X folder without having to go to Applications and open up another folder and then take multiple steps. Sometimes I put my, there's a folder in here, Chroma Key folder. On some of my computers I have it on there. I'm going to go ahead and drop it on there on this one, just so I can go in there and real quickly look and see what templates I have in there in case I have to edit one. I can just go in there and click on it. I'm going to go ahead and close this out. And that pretty much completes how we set it up. Now I haven't ran Teps-X yet. I'll go ahead and start that now. This is the first time I've opened this up, and it's going to tell me my counter is dangerously low. It says it's at 0. That's because I haven't registered this version of Teps-X yet. I'm still waiting on them to send me the key, but it'll let you go ahead and start it and play with it, and just kind of give you an idea of how it works. Again, this is the main menu, and whenever you're going to make any changes to any preferences in Teps-X, you'll probably want to come back to this main menu. You can change some of the things in sub-menus when you're actually operating Teps-X, but a lot of things will be grayed out, like this input window. Right now I can change it to camera, which is what I'm going to do right now, and I'm going to change it to Nikon because that's what we use. Me and my partner both shoot Nikon, but some of my other photographers shoot Canon, so if they're using this on site. They have to go in there and change that. And pretty much right now, all the preferences are just how they come from the factory. It's also a good idea. I'm going to go ahead and hit OK. And I'm going to go in here under Preferences. And I'm going to say Save Settings to File. And I'm going to say Teps-X Share. I don't need all this at the end. I'm going to put the date on here. I'm going to put 05. Today is the 9th, I think, and 2013. And it's going to save it in this Preferences folder. I'm going to go ahead and save that. And when you make changes to your preferences, it's always a good idea to save it. One thing you can do is then if you save these preferences and you have multiple computers and you want them all to be set up exactly the same, all you have to do is load the preferences off of one computer onto all the other computers, and they all should be identically set up. And it just makes it real easy to do that. But this is how we do it. Like I said, this is the main images, the main menu for Teps-X right here. All your preferences are here, and I discussed some of these preferences in other videos. I just wanted to throw this video up on YouTube just in case you're just loading Teps-X up for the first time and you wanted to see how we actually set ours up. Alright, we appreciate you listening, and if you have any questions, you can email us at info@houstoneventphotography.com. Thanks, and we'll see you on the next video.